Carla Guevara La Forteza opens up about her daughter's hiatus mula sa global girl group na Cat's Eye. The theater actress assures Sofia's fans wala silang dapat ikabahala. Yan ang agenda report ni Tin Matro.
Temporary step back, not a setback. Ito ang paglilinaw ni veteran theater actress Carla Guevara La Forteza tungkol sa hiatus ng kanyang anak na si Sofia La Forteza sa Cat's Eye. Noong August 7, inanunsyo ng Hybe by Geffen Records na pansamantalang magpapahinga ang Pinay leader para unahin ang kanyang health and well-being. Sa media gathering para sa The Notebook The Musical, sinabi ng theater star na really resting ngayon ang anak.
Don't worry, this is for her own good. And this is what I love about her management. They recognize when the girls are tired. They all work equally hard. But in Sophie's case nga, kasi nga leader, siyempre, tapos Capricorn, and I super relate to her. I know exactly what she's feeling. I know exactly what's happening in her brain, in her body.
Giit ni Carla, physically at mentally demanding ang buhay ng isang global performer. Inihalintulad pa niyang workload ng Cat's Eye members sa high-level athletes dahil sa sunod-sunod na training, performances, travel at iba pang commitments. Mas mabigat din umanong responsibility ni Sofia bilang group leader dahil nagsisilbi siyang tulay sa pagitan ng members at management. Sa tanong naman ng fans kung babalik sa grupo si Sofia,
Okay, I will be very honest. I don't ask her.
Okay.
Because again, as a Capricorn, we don't like being asked. We don't like being pressured. So I know what she's thinking. So I let her be. I'm just being her mom, saying, "What do you need? What can I do for you? How can I help?" I do that instead of saying, "Kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, ganyan, what's gonna happen after?"
sa ngayon, focus daw si Sofia sa kanyang simple activities like baking, painting at pagpunta sa Disneyland. Dahil para sa kanya, health first, come back later. Para sa agenda, Tin Matro, Billionaire News Channel.